Hi everyone, in this video I'm just going to show you how to set up a Dropbox folder in Panopto. So by saying Dropbox folder, that's a little erroneous in the way that it's phrased. So what this actually allows is for students to record a Panopto video to a specific folder that you designate. It is not a Dropbox in any sense of the term that they will submit something to you, as we did with Angel. It's not tied to any sort of assignment in Canvas. If you do want to give a grade for this video that they record into this folder, then you'll need to set that up separately in Canvas. There's nothing to submit in Canvas. This is purely just a way for students to record their own Panopto videos to a folder that you allow them to record to. So with that said and done, now it's time to set that up. So right now I'm in my course, I've gone to Panopto Recordings, and now I'm in the folder for that course. All I need to do, super simple, is just go up to the settings for this course. If you click on the gear right here, it'll come up with a window, and there's this button that just says Create Dropbox. And it does explain, it says a Dropbox is a subfolder that shares user list. Dropboxes enable viewer users, that's the student, in their parent folder, which means the course folder, to manage their own content while preventing them from viewing other people's content that has not been explicitly shared or made public. So what that means is that when a student records to this folder, they are the only ones who can see that video, along with you, the instructor. Other students cannot see other students' videos. If you want to set it up that way, then you can change the permissions on the videos. But by default, this is just a place for students to record one video so that you can look at it, or multiple videos so you can look at it and only they can see it. Okay? So now that we understand what the Dropbox actually means, let's go ahead and create one. Just go ahead and click on Create Dropbox. That's it. So now what you want to do is if you close this, you'll notice there's a little drop-down arrow, and that just means there's a subfolder in there. And here's the Dropbox. So then when students come into this area, they'll see this Dropbox folder, and they'll be able to hit the Create button, just like you, and use the Panopto Recorder software to create a video, and it will just save to that Dropbox area. They'll still need to go through that process of downloading the recorder, setting up their webcams, all sorts of things like that. But essentially, they now have access to the same recording tools that you as the instructor do. Okay? So that's really quick how to set up a Dropbox folder in Panopto.